Hey there, how's your day going so far? So, I want to talk about compliments today, the art of giving and receiving compliments. So, who likes to receive compliments? I think everybody likes to receive compliments. But we give compliments so sparingly. It's like if you give a compliment, something is going to happen to you. We never like to compliment people, and unfortunately, it's women who have the most trouble in complimenting other women. So, when do you give a compliment? There's no specific time. There could be an occasion like you've attended a party or you've come to someone's house, and you can compliment people about anything. You can compliment them about the way they look, you can compliment them about the food, about how beautiful their home is, their pets, their children, just about anything. There are only two rules to giving a compliment correctly. One is you've really got to mean it, and two, you've got to give the compliment properly. So, word it properly, don't be stingy with your words, and give a compliment in such a way that the person actually feels good. So, I know I love receiving compliments, and I give compliments a lot. So, what are some of the things that can go wrong in a compliment? So, one is a compliment where it's a backhanded compliment. For example, you see someone who normally wears Indian wear and that person is wearing Western wear, and you say that, oh, I did not know that you could carry off Western wear. Now, this is a very wrong way to give a compliment because what on earth does that mean? And are you supposed to know everything about me? So that's one wrong way, a backhanded compliment. Second is giving a compliment in part, which is like, nice shirt, great color. So the color is peach. So suppose somebody tells me nice t-shirt, it's a peach t-shirt. What about it? So step one of the compliment is to word it and personalize it. So say, hey, I love that t-shirt on you. Or you look beautiful in that t-shirt. And one step higher is to say that that t-shirt really makes your face glow and you look beautiful in it. So when you give a compliment, there should be no doubt what you mean. And the sole purpose of a compliment is to uplift somebody's spirits and make them feel good. When you have nothing nice to say, as Swami Vivekanand said, don't say anything. So it's better to keep quiet than give these strange, backhanded, and weird compliments. You know, a person who can't give a compliment or gives a compliment which is not actually a compliment, it's an insult, then that person is actually not coming from a good place. That person is deeply sad themselves. And so you should not get upset. You should just feel sorry for them, frankly. And secondly, is that they're trying to hurt you. So when people meet you after a long time and they say, oh my God, I don't know what's happened to you. Why have you put on so much weight? Or worse, when you were in college, you were as thin as a pencil. So, firstly, you're not even complimenting me when I was in college because a pencil is not attractive necessarily when compared to a body. And second is that what is it with this comparison? So, compliments or comments, I won't call this a compliment, comments about height, weight, complexion, skin, loss of hair, or any such thing, please don't say anything. Everyone has a mirror in the house. Everyone can see what they look like, and nobody likes to be reminded of something that they already know doesn't come from a good place. So, how is it that you can't see anything nice in people? How is it that you can't notice that a person's eyes are absolutely shining? How is it that you can't notice that a person has the most glorious smile or that they smell so good? When you give a compliment properly, that person is feeling 10 feet tall the entire day or the entire evening. And why wouldn't you want to do that for somebody? If you can make people feel better just by saying a few words, why wouldn't you do it? I, for one, compliment women all the time because before I was a daughter or a mother or a husband, a wife, sorry, or a friend. I'm a woman. I'm a girl. So I believe that's my tribe. And I always tell women that they're looking wonderful, but I'm not vague. I tell them specifics. Like I said earlier, I actually compliment, I love your hair, or that you're absolutely glowing. And it doesn't have to be a friend. I compliment random women that I meet at a restaurant or in a public place, and I find that for a minute they're quiet. It's almost like nobody's ever said anything to them like that. And then this absolutely radiant smile breaks out because a stranger who stands to gain nothing from them has complimented them in such a heartfelt way that they feel really good. And you know, the other part of compliments is how to receive them. So I was talking with a friend of mine, and she said, I wish women would learn to accept compliments graciously. So if you compliment somebody on their necklace or their dress, and they'll say, oh, this whole thing, I bought it from Janpat for 50 rupees or 150 rupees. Oh, this necklace, it's fake, Radhika. So we were talking about that as to why do women do this? And we realized it's because they receive compliments so rarely, and people around them are so judicious and stingy with their words that they're not used to receiving a compliment, so they feel, I don't know, embarrassed, and they don't know how to cope. So when you give a compliment, start today. When you give a compliment, could be to a older person, it could be your peer, you could be a friend, family member. Just say it from your heart and they'll understand it. Also, people have this misconception that family does not need to be complimented. So, if your mom's cooking great food every day, you don't need to tell her, Ma, it's great food. The day she stops cooking for you, you'll know. So, if she can make the effort to cook for you every day, if your husband can make the effort to say, drop you off at work every day, then you need to say thank you or compliment them on that every day. Why is it so difficult to be nice? I don't understand why it's so difficult to be nice. So let's try to be nicer, spread a little cheer, and once again, anything that you have to say on this topic, please put it in the comments. I promise you, I will respond. And you can send me messages with anything that's bothering you, which is related to the topics that I'm talking about, or any topics that you feel I should talk about and simplify. Please let me know, and I'll be happy to take them into consideration. You have a wonderful day, and I look forward to chatting with you again. Take care.